Welcome. If you've ever started a collage on Pinterest and wondered how to pick up right where you left off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to resume and finish an in-progress collage, so you can keep your creative momentum going and turn your ideas into something truly shareable. Let's jump right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your personal creations and collections are stored, including your collages. Next, look for the Collages section. Pinterest has made it easy to find all your collage projects in one spot, so tap on that to see everything you've created so far. Now, at the top of the Collages section, you'll notice two tabs, one for completed collages and another labeled In Progress. Go ahead and tap on the In Progress tab. This is where Pinterest saves all the collages you've started but haven't finished yet, so you never lose your work or inspiration. Scroll through your unfinished collages and tap on the one you want to continue working on. Pinterest will open up your project, showing all the elements you've already added, cutouts, images, text, and more. From here, you can keep editing just like before. Add new cutouts, rearrange items, tweak your design, or try out Pinterest's latest features like collage remixing for even more creative options. Take your time and make sure your collage looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with your changes, tap Next. This will bring you to the final step, where you can review your masterpiece. If everything looks good, simply tap Save to complete your collage. Your finished creation will now appear in your main Collages section, ready to be shared, downloaded, or even remixed again later. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can easily resume and finish any in-progress collage on Pinterest, making sure your creative ideas never go unfinished. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!